Hello everyone, Marco Chiappetta from Hot Hardware here in Lenovo's suite at CES 2019. We have two gorgeous laptops to show you here. This is the brand new X1 Carbon 7th gen, and this is the X1 Yoga 4th gen. Now, both of these guys feature the latest Intel platform for processor, but it's really form factor and other features that make them stand out. So the X1 Carbon 7th gen, couple of subtle changes. First, on the lid here, Lenovo's accentuated the carbon fiber weave. It's very subtle, but it's there, just to show that it's carbon fiber, and changed the look just a bit. Now, this particular model has a beautiful 4K UHD IPS panel with 10-bit HDR and 500 nits of brightness. As you can see, really nice, sharp, bright display here. There's also a Dolby Atmos certified speaker system, so there's two top-firing tweeters here and two down-firing woofers. So much better sound than your typical Ultrabook. You know, in this type of form factor, it's difficult to get room-filling sound. This guy sounds great. NVMe storage in here, plus there's a couple of new features. Obviously, there's the keyboards that Lenovo is known for. You have a precision touchpad, webcam up top, and there's also a 4-mic array along the top here as well. In terms of security, the Lenovo ThinkShutter feature will now disable both the IR and standard cameras, you know, if you're worried about that stuff. And now down to only 2.4 pounds. I believe the previous gen was 2.49 pounds.
Precision touchpad, so very consistent experience, you know, on whatever system you're using, whether it's a consumer system, commercial system. And, do you want me to hold that there for a sec?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. The ports, it's incredibly port rich still. So you have two USB-C with Thunderbolt ports, native Ethernet, as well as a full-size HDMI and USBs. So you're not sacrificing anything on this system. It is now 2.4 pounds. So very, very light system. And again, it's the lightest 14-inch commercial notebook in existence.
Nice. That's the X1 Carbon.
That is the X1 Carbon 7th gen. Now, this is the latest Yoga 4th gen. Now, Lenovo's gone with a machined aluminum design here. Very similar design language. Also, you know, the great Lenovo keyboards still have that 4-mic array on the top. This particular one has the same panel as well. Also has the speaker system with the front firing here and down firing on the bottom. But what Lenovo's goal was with this design was to sort of maintain the same form factor but use the new material in this Yoga. So I'm going to show you something cool. If I close this guy down and bring up the previous gen machine, although they're both 14-inch panels, you can see just how much smaller this new machine is. And this guy is only, let me get the weight right here, only 2.99 pounds on this guy.
Both machines, Dolby Atmos, sound certified, and Dolby Vision HDR certified, right?
Yep, and both coming in June of this year.
Good stuff. CES 2019 with Lenovo. Thanks, buddy.